the basics of using Picture Album. PDspect Picture Album is a very easy-to-use program that lets you create a picture report. This can be used for any type of inspection or documentation, but for this example, we'll be using pictures of a residential building. So to get started, we're going to click on the button for Picture Album for Photo Reports. We're now looking at the main Picture Album screen. The first step is to give this file a name and then save it. So to do that, we're going to go to File, Save As. We're going to call this Sample Inspection, and then click on Save. We're now ready to add in our pictures. And to do that, we'll navigate to the toolbar. We're going to click on the button for Add Picture. At this point, you want to navigate to whatever folder on your computer has all your photographs in it. Right now, we're already looking at ours, so we're going to highlight the first picture by clicking on it, and then click on Open. When you do that, a box pops up that says, there are other pictures in this folder. Do you want to add in the other pictures as well? If we click on Yes, then it's going to add in all the pictures from that folder into this file. If you click on No, then it's going to add in just the first picture that we highlighted. We do want to add in all the pictures, so we're going to go ahead and click on Yes. It takes a couple seconds, but it's going to add in all those photos. And now when we look at the left, we see them all listed. We can scroll up and down to see all the pictures. You can rearrange the orders of the pictures by simply clicking on it, clicking on one, and again going back to that toolbar, and you can move it up or down. So let's move this one up a few. If you added in a picture that you don't want, you can click on it and then delete it out. So we're going to click on Delete Picture and click on Yes, and the picture is now removed. So at this point, we've added in all our pictures and ready to add in some captions and some decorations. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the first picture we want to work on. And as far as adding in captions, we have a box right here for captions. You simply click on it, and then you can type in whatever you want. So for here, we'll just say, this is the caption for the picture. Now, for decorations, there's 3 different types of decorations we can make. We have arrows, ellipses, and zoom. Let's go ahead and take a look at all 3. So first, we'll draw a couple arrows. So with arrows selected, and all you have to do to make a decoration on the picture is simply go to the picture, click where you want it to start, hold in your mouse, and then just drag it and release. And so now we've quickly added in 2 arrows. Now, let's take a look at ellipses. So we'll select ellipse, and we'll draw it the same way. And finally, let's go over and look at zooms. Zooms are cool because they allow you to zoom in on an area on a picture. So if you really want to highlight what's going on, you can zoom in, get a closer look. And you can also draw decorations on top of each other. So let's go ahead and draw 2 arrows to go with this zoom box. So you can zoom in, and you can really point what's going on. And as you saw there, you can also change the color. You have 8 different colors to choose from for all the different decorations. So let's say as you're making your decorations, you make a mistake, you can click on this Clear Last button, and this will remove the last decoration you added in. As you can see, the arrow's been removed. Or if you want to start over and remove all the decorations for a picture, simply click on Clear All. So at this point, we've looked at how to add pictures in, how to add in captions, and how to add in decorations. Now let's take a look at some of the options available with Picture Album by going up to Edit, and then Album Setup. Here we have a couple options. You can choose how many pictures you want to show up on each page of the report. So let's go ahead and change this to 4. You can toggle whether or not you want the pictures to be numbered. And finally, you can choose how much text space is available. If you choose less text, that'll make the pictures appear a little bit larger, but there's going to be less room for caption. If you choose more, there'll be more room for text for that caption, but the pictures will be smaller. Let's go ahead and select less text, and then click on OK. You can also have a cover page show up at the beginning of your reports. And to do this, we'll go up to Edit, Print Settings, and we'll go to the Page Options tab. As you can see, we have one option available. And if you click on Print and Cover Page, you can then click on Cover Page Settings and then set up the cover page to look the way you want. You can also change the options on the Page Layout tab, as well as the Fonts tab to make your report formatted the way you want. When you're finished, click on OK. Let's go ahead and take a look at the report that's created by going up to File, Print Preview. As you can see, we have our 4 photos per page like we set up. Each picture is numbered, and if we zoom in on the picture we worked on, we can see our caption as well as all the decorations we added. Once the report is complete, you can print a hard copy of it or simply turn it into a PDF that you can then email or store. This concludes the Using Picture Album tutorial.